Today I'm going to try to show the difference between Freemotion mode and FPV mode.
Home point updated.
I didn't notice that before. If you hold this button here, I see gallery, screen recording. Nice. The view with all the information is in the goggles. 1600 by 1600 resolution. Most of my audio is also coming from these goggles. The microphone in the goggles will mute the propeller sounds on the drone. This video is coming from the drone, which is 8K 30 FPS and it's 360 degrees. That means each lens is 4K. So when you zoom in from 180 degrees, it keeps decreasing the resolution. And this is just a 4K video for my action camera, which is also capturing the sound from the drone. In Freemotion mode, you turn your remote and your headset, basically your whole body, to turn the drone where you want to go. The dial makes it turn and changes the view. I can look around freely, but to turn the drone, you got to roll this little thumb wheel or move your arm and headset in the direction you want to go. In other words, to turn all the way around, I have to turn my entire body around. If I turn around, that's what's turning around. Or if I move the scroll wheel, it sees me, so it's showing avoidance. You got to roll the scroll wheel or turn around turtle. FPV mode. In FPV mode, you tilt your controller which way you'd like to go, and you can keep your headset stationary. Yeah, the wheel is still turning it around. When I turn my wrist now, it turns the drone because it's in FPV mode. So you could turn your wrist or roll the scroll. Huh. It took off quick that time. It doesn't really like to do it when you're close to the ground, speed-wise. Comes down pretty quick, though. Ooh, that was quick that time. Oh, man. I gotta clean them gutters out. Look at that. Darn. This side's not too bad. Not terrible. Let's try to fly it through this trail. Don't forget, in sport mode, there's no obstacle avoidance. If this had prop guards, I'd feel a whole lot safer. These little branches and stuff. Huh, wonder why I did that. Switch to Freemotion mode, all by itself.
Maximum altitude limit reached.
I didn't mention the drone is actually pretty quiet. Seems quieter than my Neos and Avata 2.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on motocheese.com. Thanks for watching.